Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the REEBOK ZIG KINETICA 2 Edge GORE-TEX. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. We can't do this without you, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the ZIG KINETICA 2 Edge GORE-TEX. We got this in the black colorway and in the UK size 7.5, European 41, and it's a US 8.5. So let's get unboxing, and here they are. These are like something that Batman would wear. I mean, look at that. We have done the baby brother version of these bad boys right here. If you want to look at the ZIG KINETICA 2 Edge review that we've done in the past, check that out. Like I said, it looks like the baby brother. Here we go, we've got the big dog here with the GORE-TEX technology, and like always we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole and it uses all that Vibram goodness. You can see the lugged traction patterning here, really heavy on that traction, really on that lugged patterning. Obviously that's there to help yourself not slip and be extra grippy when you're doing your trail runs, which these are designed for, as well as hiking. Moving along onto the midsole. So this midsole unit has float ride fuel, and you can see a bit of that foam that's used here on this outsole. When you look here, there's a little gap that you can see right there. Encompassing that float ride fuel midsole is the ZIG energy shell. You can see it there with a little slant. Helps, you know, make your movements a bit more precise and will help you your ride be more comfortable. And we move along onto this upper. This whole upper is predominantly made out of textile materials. What's really cool is that you look where the Vibram technology, it continues all the way to that toe box. So you can see the rubber right there. Obviously that helps the toe box be less abrasive to any scratches that you do on your runs, because you're going to be running on a lot of gravel, stone, whatever. And again, it extends all the way up to the heel here, the Vibram technology there as well. As I mentioned before, it's an all textile upper. You got a lot of heat pressed plastics as well that goes around. And what makes this even more GORE is that it has GORE-TEX technology. So for those that don't know, GORE-TEX is a surefire way to make your feet more insulated. Lots of jackets are made out of GORE-TEX, and it helps prevent any drops of rain, any water entering, helps it be waterproof. Now the lace enclosure, it's not really a lace enclosure, but to get your feet in, there's a lot of straps that you need to take apart. So you got a strap there at the front and at the side, so you can just take that off. Zip enclosure, pull that down. 2 pull tabs at the back to help get your feet in. What more do you need? And then it's even more secure, so you just zip it up and strap them back on. Looking at the heel support as well, so if you look there, the midsole extends, so it's, again, you're going to feel a lot more bounce when you lift your feet off the ground. Ankle support, there really isn't any ankle support. This is more free, it's more flimsy, but you got the REEBOK logo around, that's heat pressed, and you got a Vector logo that's on the front. And you got the GORE-TEX logo in its big writing on the lateral side there. This sneaker, this hiking trainer, hiking shoe, trail running shoe, whatever you want to call it, this just screams GORE. If you're into that all black look, I suggest you get these. Personally, I'd go for a black hiking sneaker or a trail runner because it's easier to clean and it helps it make it look more rugged when you just got that mud stains there as well, and it just goes well with everything. All that said, I can't wait to try these on. this is the Gorp core sneaker that you need. In my recommendation and in my opinion, I mean, who doesn't like Gorp core fashion? Roll out footage of me trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size fit. My toes are where they need to be. However, these are really tight on. Can't tell if you guys knew, but I had to put zip all the way down. I didn't put them back up. That's just a bit difficult as well. I don't like how it's engineered as well, how the straps are in the way. It's a bit difficult to get the straps off. So in terms of trying to get your feet in, it's a bit difficult. In regards to the comfortability, it's not that comfortable, guys. It feels like there's a chokehold on my toes, if I'm being honest. I mean, I can feel that they're keeping my feet warm. That's the GORE-TEX in it, and it's very sturdy and grippy. However, I don't think I'll be going on much hikes with these on. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. Until next time, peace.